PDFs are great for sharing your work. There are free PDF readers available for Windows, Macs, Linux, iOS and Android. And PDF file written there, formatting no matter where they are displayed. Here we will convert some image to PDF without any software. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Select all the files you want to combine. Right click any of them. Select show more options. And then choose for print. Make sure Microsoft Print to PDF is selected from the list of available printers. Select paper size. Choose how the image will appear. Untick the option below to show the image in full slide. Then click Print. Select File Location. Then type file name. Click Save. I am opening the PDF file. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.